In the Revolution, news didn't travel by wire. It rode on horseback, rolled off printing presses, and carried the fate of a nation. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. In the 1700s, there was no internet, no phones, no radio. Yet news still spread, slowly, loudly, and powerfully, across the colonies. Messengers on horseback carried letters and warnings between towns, sometimes riding through the night, spreading alarm and action. Ships and small boats carried newspapers, letters, and rumors between ports, connecting distant colonies through the Atlantic and coastal waters. Printers turned ink into influence. Newspapers and pamphlets, like those by Thomas Paine, spread ideas faster than armies could march. Taverns, churches, and markets became information hubs, where news was read aloud, debated, argued, and believed. Coins, broadsides, flags, and symbols carried messages, liberty trees, slogans, and images that crossed literacy barriers. When news spread, colonies reacted together, boycotts, protests, and resistance rising almost in unison. This fragile network of riders, ships, and ink turned 13 colonies into one cause, proving information can spark a revolution.